it's you.
Hey cuties, I hope you guys are doing all right. I am going to be taking you guys with me to get my hair cut. I am so nervous. I'm so nervous because I always go through something where I want to cut my hair, and the next thing you know, I'm sad because I cut my hair. Why am I sad? Because I cut my hair. I don't know. Leave me your Instagram account below. Follow me on my Instagram. It's in the description box above or below. If you're in the Atlanta area, I do nails. I love your support. I am mobile as well. I am a mobile nail tech. Me, I don't know about you, but me, when I get my nails done, when I get my hair done, when my makeup's done, and I got a cute little tight banging body outfit, you know, my little purse, I'm smelling good, my butt is cleaned, chef's kiss, especially when you smelling good, sis. Girl, indulge in it, submerge yourself in that feminine, you feel me? Like, come on guys. Before I go there, I'm going to stop here and get me a little beef patty. And it's lit. Keep watching. I just got back from getting my beef patty. Food is really my happy place. I can't help it. You could take me to the top tier place. Oh my god, this thing be squeezing me. You could take me to the top tier places, but one thing about it, if their food is not good, I am that person that's gonna let them know I've had better. How's my food? Well, to be honest with you, I've had better. Why? Because I cook better. Duh. Okay, all BS aside, honestly, stopping myself from crying. I'm terrified to get my hair cut, but I'm gonna get it cut. Okay, I'm gonna get my hair cut, and I hope that I look like a, you feel me? Damn, girl, what's your name? Good. You look like you ready for new stuff. You look like you ready for new. We're about to go to the Dominicans. Feel me? Shout out to my people. Shout out to my people. We out here. You feel me? Let me stop. This food could get to your soul quicker than words. Baby, come here, daddy. Come here, baby. Come sit down and come eat this good meal. Because I prepared it with love. I prepared it with life. I prepared it with so much that you're going to sit there and you're going to enjoy my food. And in every bite, you're going to know that there's a love in every bite. Eat up, baby. Eat up. I did it for you. Yeah. Let me stop. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Them slick girls play every time. Them slick girls get every time.
Gosh, I cut my hair. All we gotta do now. Okay, we did it. It's over.
Bitch got that crazy head like a Kanye.
On my shit expensive. Only got charms, the life was the place. Just in case. is these hoes for top. I just wanna check if you fuck with me. If you not.
Ahora yo piseo. Antes tú no querías. Ahora yo no quiero. Ahora yo piseo. Antes tú no querías. Ahora yo no quiero. Antes tú me pichabas. Ahora yo piseo. Antes tú no querías. Ahora yo no quiero. No, tranqui, yo perreo sola. Yo perreo sola. Yo perreo sola. Perreo sola.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ahora me toca a mí.
Veo. Veo. Antes tú me dijiste. Veo. Veo. Veo.
Ay, ay, ay. Que ningún baboso se le pegue. La disco se prende cuando ella llegue. A los hombres los tienes de hobby. En la maestría como Nairobi. Si tú la ves, te digo de la botella. Donde ni las niñas quieren con ella. Tiene más de 20, me enseñó la cédula. Ey, te lo moras ni cédula. Ella está soltera, antes que se pusiera de moda. Lo que el amor le damos el foda. El DJ la pone que la sabe toda. Se trepa en la mesa y que se joda. En el terreno no se quita. Pum, se pone bellaquita. Esta llamacita necesita. Pero por ahora está solita. Ella perrea sola. Ey, ella perrea sola. Ey, ella perrea sola. Perrea sola. 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 Ella perrea sola.
Tenemos un problema.
Esto dice así con un ritmito un poquito más viejo.
Ahora yo piseo. Antes tú no querías. Ahora yo no quiero. Antes tú me pichabas. Ahora yo piseo. Antes tú no querías. Ahora yo no quiero. No, tranqui, yo perreo sola. Yo perreo sola. Yo perreo sola. Perreo sola.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ahora me toca a mí.
Veo. Veo. Antes tú me dijiste. Veo. Veo. Veo.
Ay, ay, ay. Que ningún baboso se le pegue. La disco se prende cuando ella llegue. A los hombres los tienes de hobby. En la maestría como Nairobi. Si tú la ves, te digo de la botella. Donde ni las niñas quieren con ella. Tiene más de 20, me enseñó la cédula. Ey, te lo moras ni cédula. Ella está soltera, antes
The crunch of tortilla strips.